Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ben. Um, so why do I always do that? I always like start an intro and just pause for like 30 seconds. And yeah, so today I'm gonna drill a hole in random ass shit, starting with an egg. I mean, obviously it's gonna probably break, but who cares? I go. I'm bored. Woke up this morning like I want to do a YouTube video, and here we are. Epic! It works. All right. So, idea. It's warm enough. Don't have to worry about it freezing and not working. As you saw in the last video, I had that problem. I was gonna shoot it out twice, and it got too cold. It was like 10 degrees that day. I think no, it was like 20. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, it was legally. It was last week. No, it worked last week. Yeah, it was like 2 weeks ago, I think. I didn't get the video up until later. Um. Anyways, I'm gonna go upstairs. Get it? I'll be up there. I'm not getting that out until a little bit warmer because I'm actually going to be using it to work on a bigger project that's going to basically look exactly like that, but a little bit more of a change. You'll see it coming in the coming months. I was saying, get motherfucker 300 here. Where's my lighter? Damn it. Oh, it's in there. It's in my closet. I should really get a knob for that. Nah. Oh, no, yeah, I'll get one. I'll get one. It's just that I'm tight, kind of. Oh, wait, yeah. It just popped in my mind. This is for those of you who watch King of Random. And they're advertised that little book they have. Plan on getting one. It's $20. And give me ideas. And may inspire other ideas for me to do. So if you want to see me if you want me to buy that and go through every single project, let me know by smacking that like button. Let's get 10 likes, and I'll buy it. I'm planning on buying it anyway, so why should it matter? But I want to start setting like goals. And if my plans go right this summer, I might start a vlog channel just doing shenanigans shit. Hey, I like that. If it wasn't for YouTube, I'd actually name that vlog channel that shenanigans shit. But YouTube will take that down quickly. Okay. Be outside in 3, 2, 1. Let me know by smacking that like button. Let's get 10 likes, and I'll buy it. I'm planning on buying it anyway, so why should it matter? But I want to start setting like goals. And if my plans go right this summer, I might start a vlog channel just doing shenanigans shit. Hey, I like that. If it wasn't for YouTube, I'd actually name that vlog channel that shenanigans shit. But YouTube will take that down quickly. Okay. Be outside in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I got this fuel, that Weapon weapon. I'm funny. And a lighter. Put duct tape on it. So, figure out where the hell I'm gonna set my camera up, and let's get to it. So I had the Febreze sitting right here, alright? Now you can't really tell on the camera, but there's a little indent there. That's interesting. Oh well. Anyways, I might have to hold the camera, so Well, my phone. But hang on. Let's take a look at this real quick. Oh fuck.
No, I'm dead serious. Like, I need you to get me a drink. The same one for Country Fair. I just open the fridge to get one, and there's one missing. Drink my shit at 10:30, so go get it. Like, what the fuck? I have enough so that I can drink one a day. So I'm gonna.
We're just gonna have to get a new. We're just gonna have to get a new one a day earlier.
Benji, I'm being dead ass though. Like, I really need to go get me a drink.
All right, so Sister's bitching about some fucking tea. If you've heard the fucking bickering and shit, shut the fucking bottle of tea. She can just actually, I can just go ahead and grab a couple Pringle cans to work on the next secret project. I mean, I might have mentioned it before, but you don't know what secret project I'm working on, because I'm never gonna mention it again. What it actually is. It's now titled Untitled Secret Project. So I wasn't allowed to film the store, okay? So I kinda had to skip that. But anyways, I got 3 of the 10 Pringle cans for the Untitled Secret Project, and my sister's fucking tea. Damn. One fucking tea. Oh well. I'll be in the house in 1 second for you and like 5 minutes for me. So this part of the video is supposed to be a screen recording of watching Jacksepticeye funniest home videos, and yeah, I forgot to screen record it. So yeah, it's not gonna be in this video. But yeah, I guess I just wanted to let you know that, I guess. Back to the video. F you, Baltimore! 2 hours later, took a break. It's a little too chilly out, so I waited 8 for what I needed to do. Alright, here we go. Hopefully this works. Why doesn't it work? Hang on. Whoa, that was loud. Make my ears ring. Holy crap. Alright. That was pretty epic. Got a crushed can. I can't even really see it because the camera's blurry. It's pretty cool. Well, I now know it works, so that's something. Well, I guess that's about do it for this one. It was interesting. Actually, this time I actually got it shooting out. Well, not shooting out. Landing, but see? Now knowing that, I got a few things I gotta work on for the Untitled Secret Project. Has been Ben from Destruction Slayer. Peace.